got wet.
Are you still okay out there?
Yep, it's had to be a little choosy in a couple places.
Hey, no problem. Have fun on this little water crossing. There's a log on the left side, but you can drop down on the right. Log over here. So just come.
What do you suggest?
I just came straight down. You'll clear all that rock if you come at an angle, and then come back up on an angle, like in and then out. Yeah, turn. There you go. And then turn again. There. No problem.
What the hell was I thinking?
Meep, 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 meep.
Yeah, that was
beep, beep,
I'll go down on this.
beep.